Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So this is gonna be a vertical vlog kasi pagod na tayo sa landscape. I am preparing for this wedding anniversary mug na gagawin ko for Mama Siding and Papa Nando. So ako yung gumawa. Yes, ako yung gumawa ng mugs nila for their anniversary. So if gusto nyong magpagawa ng mga mugs, so you can contact me. Wow, on my social media accounts. Yes. So I have these equipments na gagamitin for mug printing. This is ideal for birthdays, weddings. So if you have anniversary celebrations sa companies ninyo, you can use this one. You can also give this as birthday gift so you can have this. And then we had several revisions until we've come up to the final output. At andito na kami ngayon sa bahay ng brother ko kasi papunta kaming Dumaguete bukas. Here we go! Andito na kami sa pier. Ayan, yan yung pier. Tingnan mo naman yung buhok ko. Parang nest. And andito na kami sa bahay ni Mama Luz kasi dito kami magla-lunch.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a long time coming. Are you ready? Well, today we are here in Beverly Hills. We are here in Dumaguete. You know, when you go here, you have to get a visa. So we're going now to Mama Siding's house and Papa Nando's house because today is their 50th wedding anniversary. I don't wear gold. I embodied them. Ingon sila nga wear something gold, so I wear them. Hi Thunder. Thunder, dali, say hi to my vlog, dali. Thunder. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi. Dali. Hi. Ay, sorry. Is this pineapple? Moni, pineapple ni? Tinuod din nga pineapple? Gamay lagi. Murag for display raman na. That is just for display.
Their 50th anniversary.
Say hi. Hi, Tin. Video greetings ni Kuan.
Ha?
Video greetings.
Wala na ko ano. Time pa, oy.
Hi, vlog. Balik, balik.
Pray for good health. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy anniversary, Nana from your Namukat Queens. Congratulations to the both of you. Thank you for being our nanay and tatay and making our dorm life very memorable. You were our first year. Days here in Dumaguete, we were not sick because the two of you were there. And we wish you more good health, many more years together, and long life. See you around. See you soon. Bye.
We wish you
Ayaw, glupad. Glupad.
Silang ayun ko. Ari ko diri ko sa ay kasi ko si Manday.
sa kinabuhi. Anniversary ni Nando.
Si Rona ba na doktor na tumakapag-train?
Enjoy the celebration. Congratulations again. Anniversary, Mama Sige and Papa.
Wataso ma wataso.
You and
Magaling na sila ni. Sila maguna-una wataso.
to each other. And I hope to see you soon. I hope you enjoy this day. And may God bless you and your marriage for a long, long time. Happy anniversary.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary. May the good Lord bless you more with generations to come. Enjoy the day today. We love you. Ay, ma. Ay, pa.
Hi, Mom. Happy anniversary. We were already hoping and praying na makakain, pero as of now, ayun siya. So, we're blessed to have you as our parents, and we're so happy that we will be celebrating.
Amo na po ni Chacha. Picturean si Chacha. Ari, diri sa. Tilingkuran. Tilingkuran siya.
Ay pa, happy anniversary and pinaka-importante ko sa tanan, take care of your health kay pinaka-importante para mo, we want to keep you very healthy good kay kataan pa may tanan tatandiri niya tatandiri about the So, kanang hopefully, matay na itong mga plano and stay healthy and loving to each other all the time. And Cubs, do you want to say something?
Yeah, say happy anniversary and yeah, I wish you good health. And yeah, with your friends.
And we hope God will show us the way always and all the time. And we wish see everyone else, guys. Kung makauligi, probably next year or the year, we never know. And kay Carol, we're still looking for relationship. Anyway, happy anniversary.
Kanang nasa luwa, si
We
Gingging.
love you both. And
Kanang nasa luwa, si Gingging.
Hello everyone.
Makadungog. Mura po makadungog pa sila.
With Casa and Todos on the same
Hi, Rolando. This is your happy anniversary.
Hi Nana, hi Tata. Happy anniversary po. I will sing a song for you guys.
Okay, just one second.
If the day's a little harder, feel my power grow. Don't you know this fire here that loves to go? Into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. Mommy, it's your turn. It's your turn.
Hi, Mama Sabine and Papa Nando. Happy wedding anniversary. I hope you're enjoying your celebration. And we wish you many more years of happiness, years of fun, and of course, good health. Again, happy anniversary. Thank you so much. And we hope to see you soon. We love you.
Bye. See you soon. Bye.
The next part of our program is ito na yung maglalaro kami ng mga parlor games. Ang dami, like trip to Jerusalem with a twist, tapos yung sandok, isasandok mo yung pera, tapos yung papagulungin mo yung lata, and yan, sumasayo ng TikTok doon. I think this is dinner the next day, so we went to North Point. I think wala na akong video nito. So after niyan, pumunta kami dito na sa, anong tawag nga nito? Yung plaza nila sa Boulevard. Ayan, so I had my drone fly. So far, yung drone ko pa dito, hindi ko pa na-update. So it works pretty fine. Nung ma-update ko na kasi to, parang nagkagulo na siya. Hindi ko na siya makontrol basta-basta. And naglo-loss of connection na until now. So ito yung nagiging problem. But so far, ang ganda ng area. Ayan, ito na yung part na ini-enjoy na lang namin and while waiting sa ibang kasama. And then, ito ng part na, ayan, yung mga pinsan ko, si Uncle Nick, yan, nag-enjoy naman kami sa lugar na yan. And then, we get the chance to see sa area na to yung mga establishments. Actually, meron akong vlog ng birthday yata ni Yara, yung pamangkin ko. So, hindi ko pa na-upload. Malamat, hindi nyo makikita. So, ayan yung view ng Boulevard dito sa Dumaguete City. And, meron ding moment sila Mama Luz at Papa Rigoy. And, yung nasa likod pala is like a symbolic landmark sa Dumaguete City. Itong part na to kasi nakakatawa. Meron tong arc sila na LED lights. So, parang naka-arrange yung arc na may LED lights. Ang ganda niya talaga sa gabi. Tapos yan, binidyohan ko siya. Kaso si Kuyang Guard, pinatay yung bad trip. Ang ganda pa naman sana nung area na yan. Wala tayong magagawa. I-close na sila. Pero yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye yours.